We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 19, and guys, the couch covers came in yesterday, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch them out. I was gonna try to keep the red ones on for as long as possible since it was Christmas and all that good stuff, but you know, I'm kind of ready to move on from this Christmas decor. I ain't gonna lie. And also, I just love gray way more than I love red. So, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the love seat and see what that looks like. And I'll show you guys in just a second. And here it is, the big reveal. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This looks so good. I did really good with the colors of the pillows. And look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's so nice and velvety. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, these couch covers are thebomb.com if you are looking for some. This is a great brand. Let me find the brand. Let me find the brand. Oh, okay, here it is, y'all. Sorry. Great Bay Home. Amazon. Great price. Y'all, look at this. Now, obviously, it's going to depend on the shape of your couch, but it tells you on here what the love seat fits up to, and then the other one will tell you what the big sofa fits up to as well. I think it's like 90. But yes, you guys, this looks awesome. I'm so happy. It looks so good. And as you can see, at every part, you see none of the other couch. Of what the other couch looks like. Like, oh my gosh. It looks so good, you guys. I'm so excited. Here's the big reveal. So, I haven't done this couch yet, and I don't know if I have enough time to do it, but you guys know. Once I have it done, you guys will know, okay? Like, yes, this is awesome. I absolutely love this. If you guys have any couches that you're like thinking about getting rid of or, you know, passing along to somebody, like, and they're like, I don't know if I necessarily like them, just say, hey, just get some couch covers. Like, it's free couches, you know? So, shit, I made this work, honey, and it looked damn good. I'm so happy. Baby's gonna love this for his man cave one day. So, of course I'll, you know, change out the pillows or whatever, but yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Ah! I'm so happy. Okay, you guys, this is what the couch looks like before. This was my Aunt Alice's couch. So if you've never bought a couch cover before, this is what it looks like. I've never bought a couch cover before either. If you haven't watched my other Vlogmas video, I told y'all that we moved from Ohio and we kind of got rid of a lot of things. So we basically came down here with no furniture. And my aunt blessed us with her old couches, and she already had the red covers on them, and so I left the red covers on for like Christmas wise, but I also knew for sure that I was going to buy me these dark gray velvet ones, so I'm about to switch them out. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. It was folded up on this cardboard, and it came with these instructions. So that was really, really nice. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but it does kind of go into detail for you if you are struggling. So we love sectionals, so we're going to buy us a sectional once we move into our new home. And that'll be the living room furniture. And then these couches will go in Babe's man cave. So, I mean, who turns down a free set of couches? Like, what? And then look at all these pillows, y'all. There were 8 of those big pillows on both of these couches. 3 on this couch, 5 on this couch. Look at how many pillows I had to get for both couches, because those were super big. Those were like 24 by 24, and I have 24 by 24s, 20 by 20s, and 18 by 18s. So with those being smaller pillows, of course, I had to get more to fill up both couches. This is 13 pillows, y'all. Ain't that crazy? But they're all so cute though, and I'm sure you can see my theme. Anyhow, back to the couches. Alright, y'all, so this is the big couch. This is the big couch. And watch it transform. Okay, you guys, this is it. I'm so happy. It looks so freaking good. It looks so good. I am so happy. I had an extra pillow, so I just got it right there. But yes. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, these couch covers, they're a bomb. Found them on Amazon, of course. I have some more filler, pillow filler, and that pillow I got back there from the old pillowcases. And I'm going to just fill these up some more. I'm going to fill the 24s. I'm going to fill the 24s up some more. But yes, you guys, this is it. This is the big reveal. I don't know why I even acted like I was going to be able to wait a week to do this. They came yesterday. Y'all, that's probably why Chris didn't pay me no attention, because he already knew I wasn't going to be able to wait. They look so good, you guys. I'm so happy. Y'all, if y'all need some couch covers, go check them out on Amazon. Great Bay Home. Okay? And then I got all these pillowcases and pillows from, I got pillowcase from Hobby Lobby, pillowcases from Amazon, and I got pillows from Ross. Okay? So, let me see. Hobby Lobby pillow cover, Hobby Lobby pillow cover, Ross pillow, and then both Hobby Lobby pillow covers. Amazon pillow cover, Ross, Amazon pillow covers, Ross, Amazon. So yeah, Amazon and Ross, honey, they did this. And then Amazon, the couch covers. Those are only 2 places that I did to transform my couches, and I absolutely love them. So don't think just because something is floral or odd shaped or whatever that you can't do nothing with it, because look how I've transformed these couches. And we didn't have to buy these couches. These couches were given to us, and I literally transformed them for cheap. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited. So yeah. Ooh, nice and velvety and soft, honey. Yes. So transformation complete. I've probably been talking about this all Vlogmas, and now it is done. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. So I hope you guys, excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is going to wrap up Vlogmas Day 19. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 20. Bye.
Christmas